Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use True North on your iPhone compass. When you open up the iPhone compass here, it can either use True North or the Magnetic North, and your iPhone allows you to choose between which option you prefer. So let's do that. So first let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now we're on the iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to the compass app. And then let's tap into the compass app. Now all we have to do, now we're in the compass app, is toggle on Use True North. Now we have that toggled on, let's head back over to the compass app, and I have not moved my iPhone. And as you can see, the compass has slightly adjusted to use True North. And again, I will not move my iPhone, and let's go back and toggle that off. And as you can see, when we come back to the compass, that slight adjustment has now been made again. So that's how you use True North and Magnetic North, all on your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.